Previously, in the last video, we explored the fascinating world of the Indian grey wolves. We captured some incredible moments, their close family bonds, playful interactions, and majestic close-up as they walk through the grassland. Today, on the final day of our Big One adventure, we will explore a variety of species, from the elusive crakes and sandgrouses to vibrant minivets and quails, and the magnificent display of Greater Flamingoes. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, good morning from Bhigwan. Today is day 3 and right now it's 4:49 a.m. So our cab will start at 5. So it hasn't arrived yet. We are waiting for the cab to arrive. Today we are exploring a different side of the grassland. This area is known particularly for Sandgrouses and White-Bellied Minivets. It has been raining throughout the night, but our guide told us that it will stop by morning. That is how the weather is at this time of the year. Slowly, dawn broke, painting the sky with soft light. We could hear rain quail sound coming from the side of the road. And out came from the tall grass at swift speed the rain quail. Rain quails are difficult to spot as they remain hidden in the bushes. During the monsoon, the male come out and gives mating call to the female. Hence, they are easier to spot in the monsoon season. We left the quails and went about to find other species. Bhigwan is known for the impressive sighting of the painted sandgrouse, colorful ground-dwelling bird. Our guide told us that this is the right time for the sandgrouses, so we continued exploring the area looking for them. And we finally found it, a pair of painted sandgrouses. Sandgrouses are highly camouflaged species. It is very difficult to spot them in the field. Unless you have a trained eye, you might miss them, even if they are right in front of you. The male painted sandgrouse is particularly vibrant, featuring a chestnut-colored body adorned with intricate black and white patterns. It has a distinctive black crown and a white neckband. Females are more subdued in color, with a brownish and grayish plumage that helps them blend into their surroundings. They primarily feed on seeds, grains, and small plants, often foraging in flocks. These sandgrouses are mostly active during the early morning and late afternoon, which helps them to avoid the heat of the day. As it emerges from the cover of the bushes, the vibrant color of its plumage comes to life in the sunlight, creating a stunning contrast against the landscape. Now time for the white-bellied minivet. We missed sighting the male minivet at Saswad. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can click on the I button to check it out. On the way, we saw this beautiful grey-bellied cuckoo giving its melodious call. This yellow-throated sparrow female gave us a momentary glance and flew away. We reached the area and immediately we spotted the male white-bellied minivet. Males are particularly colorful with a bright yellow-orange underparts and a contrasting dark blue upper body. They also have a distinctive white belly which gives them their name. The female also appeared. They are more subdued in color, featuring a brownish yellow body with a lighter belly and a more muted overall appearance. White-bellied minivets are usually found in moist, deciduous forest as well as in scrublands and hilly areas. They prefer habitats with plenty of tree cover where they can easily forage and nest. We observed that the male and the female were coming to a particular tree in turns. On closer look, we found it has a nest with 2 chicks inside. The parents were coming to feed them in turns. There was also this red-collared dove beside the minivet tree. Red-collared doves are commonly found in open habitats including gardens, farmlands, and scrublands. They are often seen foraging on the ground like this individual here. In some cultures, doves symbolizes peace and love, and the red-collared dove's striking appearance adds to its symbolic value. Time passed by, and it was time to leave this area. As we were heading back to the homestay, on the side of a bridge, something was there. These are a group of dusky Crag martins. It has a distinctive plumage with a dark grey or a brownish body that appears almost uniform. These species primarily feed on insects which it catches in flight. It often forages high above the ground and is known for its swift, acrobatic style flying. There was 1 chick and 3 adults on the bridge, and the parent was coming periodically to feed them. Look, there's a beautiful wag-tailed swallow right beside the martins on the wag. This swallow has a glossy blue-black upper body with a white underbelly. The most distinctive feature is its long, slender tail, which has 2 elongated, wire-like feathers that give the bird its name. The long, wire-like tail not only helps them in enhancing their aerial movements, but also plays an important role in courtship displays, where males showcases their tail to attract females. Wag-tailed swallows are commonly found in open habitats including farmlands, wetlands, and areas near rivers and streams. They are often seen flying low over water bodies and perched on wag like this individual. They are known for their acrobatic flight, making sharp turns and dives to catch prey. Well, the morning was not done yet. As we were nearing our homestay, Kundan told we have a chance to spot the brown crake here, another exclusive and extremely shy species. And out it came, an individual walking swiftly towards us. Brown crakes are known for their secretive behavior. They are mostly heard but rarely seen as they move quietly through dense vegetation. There was a red-napped ibis on the other side of the road, busy in its breeding activities. Finally, an eventful morning session ended as we returned back to our homestay. Post lunch, we left for the last afternoon session at Bhigwan. We will mostly be exploring the areas near our homestay. We came across an area where a lot of chirpings were there. Turned out it was a Munia paradise. There was a small water stream and at least 10 red Munias were present there. Males are particularly striking with a vibrant red plumage adorned with black spots on the wings and a shorter tail. Their beaks are also bright red. Females are less colorful, sporting a more subdued brown and buff plumage, which helps them blend into their surroundings. Red avadabats have a soft, melodious call, often heard during their social interactions or while in flight. In some cultures, the red avadabats are kept as pet birds due to their attractive appearance and melodious song. Beside the avadabats was the tricolored Munia. These Munia have a distinct tricolored plumage with a black head, a rich chestnut brown body, and white underparts. They also have a characteristic white patch on their wings. They are typically found in grasslands, open fields, and wetlands, often in areas with tall grass or reeds where they can forage and nest. Tricolored Munias are generally resident birds, but some population may migrate locally in search of food or suitable nesting site. There was also the Scaly-breasted Munia. They typically have a brownish body with a distinct scaly pattern on their breast, created by a series of small white spots. Their wings are a darker brown and they have a short, stout bill that is conical and well suited for seed eating. Like other Munias, they are also seen in flocks and breeds during the monsoon season. What a wonderful sighting it was to see 3 different types of Munia in the same place. There was also this common Woodshrike on the tree branch. It was scanning the surrounding for food. it gave us a momentary look before flying away. Such a beautiful sighting of so many birds within a very short span of time. We continued exploring the area for more species. Sound of the Buttonquail was coming from the bushes. We waited for the bird to come out. And it finally did. The bird Buttonquail. They have a mottled brown plumage which provides excellent camouflage, making it difficult for predators to spot them in their natural habitat. They are known for their soft whistling calls. Their vocalizations are often heard during the breeding season when males call to attract females. This is a very secretive bird, doesn't come out in the open much. We were extremely lucky to film and shoot for such a long duration in the open. Time flew by and the day was coming to an end. Kundan took us to one final spot before wrapping up for the day. Though it is not time yet, but we still hope to see that species. We reached the location. We could see them from the distance. Excitement surged as we marched towards them. And there you have it, a flock of Greater Flamingoes. They are known for their striking pinkish white feathers, long necks, and distinctive downward curved bills. These birds can be found in shallow lakes, lagoons, mudflats, and estuaries across Africa, southern Europe, and parts of Asia, including India. Flamingos filter feed on algae, brine shrimp, and small organisms in the water using their specialized beaks. These birds are social and often seen in large colonies, especially during the breeding season and during feeding. Bhigwan is one such location famous for this bird. Though this time was early for the birds, we secretly hope to see them. And Bhigwan didn't disappoint. At the last hour of the last day of the trip, we finally managed to see this beautiful species. As the final day in Bhigwan comes to a close, we reflect on the incredible journey we have had. From spotting quails hiding in the grass to Sandgrouses, vibrant minivets, and elusive crakes, it has truly been a day filled with wonder. And to end it all, the majestic sight of flamingos standing gracefully in the water. It was the perfect finale. So many beautiful species, each adding their magic to the experience. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel if you haven't had. Hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from wildlife captured. Goodbye for now and see you in my next episode. Coming up in the next episode,